What's up, guys? So it's been a while since I've done anything. Just been super busy trying to go through work and racing and all that general knowledge. But as you can see today, Elsa, she's going naturally aspirated. We said screw it, let's get all that displacement out there and just run it naturally aspirated. But no, in all reality, we had a up pipe gasket go awry, and I started feeling around on the turbo, and it actually it needed to be rebuilt. It's had a couple issues so far, just a lot of play and whatnot. So today's video is pretty much just going to be me showing you guys how to rebuild a turbo the way I've always done it. I've done 3 of these now, and they've all been successful, knock on wood. So without further ado, I'll let you guys see how this goes. Alright, so I got the turbo out, as you can see. There's definitely shaft play. So first off, you got your 8 millimeter 12 points that need to come off. So I've already broke these loose, so I should be able to just twist them off. And when you're doing this, you've got your rebuild kit usually comes with new 8 millimeter 12 points, so that's a big plus because these ones are all rusted to hell. So go here. Cover comes off. The cover looks like here. There's a lot of oil and whatnot. There's your compressor. The cool part is what we're going to do is, since we have this out of here, we're actually going to replace the compressor with a 10 blade. Just to help out with back pressure. Should help out with the towing a little bit, so we'll see. But so right here, you need a 16, and these are reverse thread, so you know. I'll get it on here. And then you have a 22 millimeter for the back side of this. So, and these are reverse threaded. So, boom, there it is. This one's obviously pretty freaking dirty, so I'm going to actually put this through this sonic cleaner that I have, just to kind of get it cleaned up a little bit, because yeah, it looks like garbage right now. So I'm going to let it soak, and then we'll go from there with it. So, take this back. Got our 8 millimeter again. Comes off. Be careful. This obviously has the 270, so it's still the old setup right here. Luckily, the one that we have, it's going to be the upgraded 360 degree. Everything's in there, compatible with it. So here's the 360 degree compared to the 270. So it's a pretty solid upgrade. I've done it on multiple now. So yeah, it's going to be nice to kind of get this thing going, especially being our tow rig. This is the way to go. We're going to clean up some of this general area. As you can see, there's oil all over this thing. So go through, we'll get that cleaned up. So our next step this up. It's gonna pour oil possibly. We got this clamp right here. It's 11 millimeter. I'm gonna go take this off over on my vise, but just so you guys know, you got this 11 millimeter. Pull this clamp off. This center section will come out. So I'll be back in a second. All right, so we got the center section off the exhaust housing. So you got your shaft, your blade, your turbine blade. As you can see, I definitely got oil, so this needs to be rebuilt regardless of the up pipe. So what I do, you guys can hate on me if you want. I take a rubber mallet, tap it. So you got, boom. So got everything right here. So take that, we're going to set that over here because this is now going to be a 10 blade. I'm going to kind of clean up the backside just because I feel like I need to. So got our 10 blade. Boom, all fancy. Looks super cool, blah, blah, blah. Should whistle better. Should have a little bit extra top end, lower EGTs. So we have our kit right here. I'm gonna open this up. Okay. So we have our C clips. There's the first one. That's on there. Clip. Boom. It's an old one. Toss it over there. New one. Okay. So what I do, once again, you guys can hate on me. I have air tool lubricant. I just hit it along this shaft. Boom. Hit these one more time. Re-spinning. Good. here. I lied. All right, that's where we're at right now. So for me, what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to take this C-clip off, pull that out. I'll probably just inspect it, see how it looks. Probably not going to go any deeper into that. I mean, that's kind of where we're at. We got this center section. I need to clean this up some, so I'm going to hit that up. Probably let it sit in the sonic cleaner a little bit, let it kind of do its thing, run it through its course. Here's a quick little overview. This is that same compressor wheel that we just pulled out of there. Put that through the sonic cleaner. If you don't have a sonic cleaner, I highly recommend one. These things are phenomenal. I just do a little bit of degreaser, as hot as I can get, soapy water. Turn the heater on, let it heat up big time, go from there. I'm going to clean this up. I'll probably turn the video off just so you guys don't have to watch me try to clean this damn thing. And then I will be back in a second. Alright, so I got this all cleaned up. As you can see, it's way better. I installed the oil port for it. That helps lube everything. So, got your arrow. Slide that in. That's the top. As you can see, all 4 bolts are lined up. We have brand new hardware, so we're just going to throw these in. I like to get them a little bit snug before I actually get them torqued down. And I also do them similar to vehicle tire. Kind of do the star pattern as best we can for what it is. I couldn't tell you if it actually makes a difference, but for me, it just feels a little bit better doing that. So boom. Take your brand new seal for this outer cover. Oh, you motherfucker. Cool, this is going super well. Alright, that was harder than it needed to be. Okay. Press those in there. Boom. Compressor. So basically we're going to do the exact same thing as we did to take it off. Boom. Spin it. Okay. Go to here. You're going to tighten this down, obviously. Boom, boom, boom. Good. Once that's good, you just take the cover here. Boom. Six bolts, and you're good. This cover is obviously not going to go on there. I'm actually painting the cover right now for Elsa, so she will get a new cover. So I'm going to take this stuff back apart because I still need to torque these bolts. But you guys get the general gist. You can take it farther and go into the plunger for your vanes. That's your vane and solenoid. It's your sensor. It's up to you. I was actuating mine. Mine seems pretty solid. It doesn't bind up at all. It's not sticking at all. It doesn't feel. So we will, yeah, that's where we're at right now. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you got any questions or comments on how to do things easier, feel free to comment or send me a message. But yeah, appreciate it. Alright guys, so here it is, all finished up. Decided to add some color. Elsa. It's a highlighter yellow, or I guess similar to a shocker yellow. From what I saw after I took the truck for a quick spin with that 10 blade turbine on it, throttle response is a little bit quicker, seems like. I don't know if that's just me super excited, but it definitely feels like seat of the pants, like it's a little bit quicker or snappier. On top of that, I was watching my EGTs, comparing them, and at 60 miles an hour, I went from 457 to about 402, so about 50 degrees, give or take some. So as of right now, I'm pretty happy with it. We'll see what happens later on when we're actually towing. I'll be able to give you guys a little bit better of an idea on what's going on. But this is how Elsa's looking right now. And hopefully we'll get the hot side pipe soon. We'll get another Y bridge. And let her really keep on loving life how she has in the past. Alright, talk to you guys soon.